Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a textured effect on clay without using texture sheets. Firstly, you'll have to take a clay sheet with medium to high thickness. Next, most of us usually have some jewelry charms in our house. I have these textured brass charms. I got the idea to imprint their texture on the clay. To make this process easy, we need some releasing agent. So I'm spritzing some water on the clay. Next, place the charm on the sheet and press it with a ball tool. Then remove the charm to see the print. I also placed the clay on baking paper so that I could easily lift the charm by slightly bending the sheet. Texture the sheet randomly. Make use of different sizes, shapes, and patterns of your charms. You should also use a thick sheet of clay if your charms have more depth. After the texturing was done, remove the water using tissues. With the charms I have used, I got a floral design. To color the clay, I'm using pan pastels. You can use soft pastels also. I'm using black and red iron oxide colors. I'm applying the color with my fingers. This helps in coloring only the raised parts of the pattern. You can see how gently I'm applying without ruining the design. Next, I'm applying red color with a brush randomly. You have to leave some gaps for the base color to show up also. The black color slightly became dull, so I reapplied it. I'm using alcohol ink to give the design a metallic finish. With a thin brush, paint ink randomly on the design. I'm using another ring similar to the red color I used earlier. I like ink's smooth finish on the clay. After the ink dries, cut the sheet into shapes which you prefer. Remove the excess clay, then bake. After baking, I felt the design was incomplete. Then I decided to add a black border. So what I did was, I took a black sheet and I cut the same shapes as the main pieces. I'm pressing the clay to make it a bit larger than the main piece. To make the baked piece stick to the raw clay, I'm using Sculpey glue. Add the glue to the clay and spread it evenly. Then place the baked pieces on the raw clay. I'm pressing the baked piece into the raw clay. This pushes the clay outwards, forming an edge. The reason I did this was because I don't have a larger cutter size. Next, I took a thin rope of clay, carefully add it on the edge. Use some tools like the brush to push the clay into the curvy areas. The rope also sticks to the extra clay edge formed from the previous step. It ensures proper bonding after baking. I might have complicated this process, but I'm a bit clueless. Let me know if you have better ideas. I will drill a hole near this joint for assembly so it will not be visible. I baked the clay for another 30 minutes. This is from the back side. You can add earring back post using a super glue and resin. I usually do that, but sometimes I don't like to use resin. So I am going to do this instead. Take a thin sheet of clay, cut some rounds. Apply Sculpey glue on the main piece's backside. Add the earring post like this. Texture it with a sponge. Smoothen the edges a little bit. Then bake once more. These were baked. Now we should seal to protect the surface effects. I'm using a gloss varnish. Carefully apply the varnish on the textured surface without allowing bubble formation. Sealing multiple times is the best practice. These are finished earrings after assembly. I hope you liked this video. I tried my best to make this tutorial clearer and shorter. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel in case you haven't done it already.